how to transfer money from a Forex card to a UK bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from a Forex card to a UK bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To transfer money from a Forex card to a UK bank account, follow these steps. Step 1. Check if your Forex card allows transfers. Some Forex cards only allow ATM withdrawals or point of sale transactions. Contact your card provider to confirm if transfers to bank accounts are supported. Step 2. Withdraw money from the Forex card. If direct transfers are not available, withdraw the funds from your Forex card using a UK ATM. Step 3. Deposit cash into your UK bank account. Take the withdrawn cash and deposit it into your UK bank account through your bank's branch or a cash deposit machine. Step 4. Check alternative options. Some Forex cards may allow online transfers through a linked account or third party money transfer service. If available, log into your Forex card account and initiate the transfer to your UK bank. So that's how you can transfer money from a Forex card to a UK bank account. That's all for this video.